So I thought I'll just cook some chicken and spiced tomato curry since it's quite snowy outside and yeah, I'm starving. I'm just going to put some oil in the frying pan. That's probably enough. I'm just chopping up 1 onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Probably should put some rice on as well. Got my little assistant here. This is Artemis. And Ozzy, he's up there. My 2 kittens, they're a bit crazy. Right, just chuck that on to boil. Chuck my rice in. Quite a bit because I'm starving. Plus it means I won't have to cook for a while, so that's always a bonus. Put my garlic in. Love garlic. I'm just going to add in a tablespoon of Madras curry paste. You can make your own or you can kind of just buy it. I like to just buy it. Big tablespoon there, nice and spicy. Mix it in a bit. Oh, I smell those spices already. Smells really good. Makes the onions go really yellow, but you don't want to inhale too deep, otherwise you start coughing. Just see it there. Just cook that for about a minute. It's a bit spicy and coughing away. And then, excuse me, don't know. And then just chuck in about a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm on a tight budget, so it's value stuff for me. But I think it does the job. Chuck that in there. Now I'm going to put in a tin of chopped tomatoes. Again, it's really good if you're on a budget because you can get chopped tomatoes quite cheap, so nice and healthy as well. Okay, next you put in 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. This really adds to the flavour. Put that in there. You want to put in about 200 ml of water as well. And then you just leave it uncovered really for about 5 minutes, just so some of the liquid can boil off a little bit. Put in any vegetables you want, and then you can put in your chicken as well. So that's our next stage. Well, I don't have so many vegetables in the house today, but I've got quite a lot of frozen things that I wanted to use up. So I'm going to put some peppers in, maybe some broccoli as well. I'm going to put some broccoli in as well. I've really just leftovers, so quite big chunks. My favourite vegetables are broccoli and peppers, but you can put any vegetables in you want, you know, cauliflower and things. If you want to have anything like naan bread, you can probably put that in just on a low heat in the oven just to warm up, or if you've got a microwave. I don't have a microwave, but you can put it in the microwave, it's just as easy. And yeah, just check your rice. I'm going to put in some coriander as well, because I really like coriander. I've got some here that I've been growing, so just take a few bits. pull those off. And I'm just going to chop them up and then just put them in as well. It's going to add a really nice flavour. Put in as much or as little as you want. Give it a bit of a stir. It's smelling really good. You can probably see it now as well. Whoops! Pouring it everywhere. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it's looking really nice. Just show you how it's getting on. Looking really nice. So you want to cook that for about 5 minutes, just so the vegetables get nice and soft. And then you put your chicken in. But I don't have any chicken, and I really like corn. I find it's much cheaper for me on my budget. So I'm going to put some corn in now, chicken style pieces. But yeah, chicken is all you can put in. If you were using chicken, you put in about 450 grams. Cut it all up quite small into like chunks, and then put it in after the vegetables, so it gives it all time to kind of mix in. But because I'm using frozen corn, I'm going to put it in a bit sooner. That way it gets a bit more time to defrost properly. Defrost and cook. And that's it really. Put in some salt and pepper if you want to put that in. I generally don't. I think spices are kind of enough for me. Yeah, just cook it and make sure the chicken's cooked through, or your corn's cooked through. And then serve it up and yeah, enjoy. Bon appetit!